Biodiversity is the term that represents the total variety of all life on Earth. That's the big thing to sum up. Thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and trillions of different characteristics they all have. The total biodiversity of our planet is immense, which is a good thing because the more biodiversity, the more secure all life on Earth is, including ourselves. Only when life is at its most varied, vigorous, biodiverse can we hope to thrive. We may not know it, but we need towering forests across 1/3 of the land's surface to block away carbon and keep the climate stable. We need millions of pollinators and billions of soil organisms and megatons of plankton to keep the food we eat in supply. We need strange plants deep in jungles to create our medicines, and coral reefs and mangrove swamps to protect our coast we depend upon. Our planet biodiversity provides all the things we need for free, but it will only do so if there's a lot of it. And at this very moment, it's under attack. In the last 50 years, our activities have dramatically reduced biodiversity across the globe. We've snapped out habitats, reduced populations of wild animals by 60%, and even driven whole species extinct. The number of lions in Africa has dropped by 65%, and the number of individual flying insects in Europe has dropped by 75%. The number of bluefin tuna in the Pacific Ocean has dropped by 95%. Biodiversity is dropping everywhere at fast. This is the catastrophic for nature and therefore ourselves. Now, we talked about climate change a lot, but biodiversity loss is as important an issue. But how do we stop this loss of life? How do we ensure the biodiversity, our planet's vital statistic, begins to increase again? In fact, we already know exactly what to do. This is John de la Cruz Sicat from BSHM2C, leaving you a message that we are the problem and we could be the solution.